Hi, I'm the Burke Student Chef. I'm going to help you save coins one meal at a time. Today, we're going to be making my low-fat ground chicken quesadilla, which is great for lunch or when you're in a hurry for a meal. Anyways, before you go anywhere, start cooking or doing anything, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell button so you can be part of the Burke Student Chef family. Anyways, for today's recipe, we're going to be needing 1 chopped onion, and then 1 handful of spinach. You need to chop these ones as well. I'm using a teaspoon of white pepper, black pepper, paprika powder, garlic, and salt. If you don't want to be too picky about your seasoning, you can just go ahead and use taco seasoning if you have that at home. Furthermore, I'm using 2 cups of vegetable mix, Mexican vegetable mix to be precise, and 250 grams of ground chicken. And I'm using grated low-fat cheese. Let's get to cooking, you guys. So in a frying pan, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of oil. If you have olive oil, go ahead and use that. After the oil has heated up, I add in my chicken and also the seasoning and allow it to cook for about, let's say 3 to 5 minutes. Let's just say 3 to 5 minutes. And I take my time to stir in everything so that the seasoning mixes well with the chicken. So now that my chicken is properly cooked, I'm going to add in my onion and my chopped spinach, and I'm going to stir everything together. This is already looking so delicious, but I like my quesadillas to be rich with vegetables when I'm making them. So while the onions are beginning to cook and melt in with the rest of the chicken, I'm going to add in my 2 cups of Mexican vegetable mix. You can find these in the frozen area section of your supermarket. I'm sure they will definitely have Mexican vegetable mix. It makes everything so much more easier when cooking. Anyways, I'm going to allow everything to cook for about 2 to 5 minutes once again. And once it's cooked, I will set it aside and go ahead to preparing the quesadilla. Now I'm using whole wheat quesadilla. It tastes so much better than the regular tortilla wraps, but yeah, if you don't have that, you can just use the regular white one. Anyways, so I'm going to place a tortilla wrap on my plate, and I will be putting a couple of handful of cheese, depending on how cheesy you want your quesadilla to be. You can decide to add more or less of what I'm doing right now. And once I've added that to 1/2 of the tortilla wrap, I'm going to go ahead and add in the ground chicken and vegetable mix that I just created. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and add some more cheese just to marry the vegetable and chicken with the tortilla wrap. So now I'm going to flip the other side of the tortilla wrap and put it in a pan. You don't need to add oil or butter to your frying pan. The only thing we're going to do right now is to make sure that the cheese melts with the tortilla wrap and with the vegetables. I'm going to do that for each side of the tortilla wrap, and I will be doing this for about 2 to 3 minutes, nothing more, else your tortilla wrap is going to burn, and we don't want that. This is what you should have once you're done. Quesadillas would not be quesadillas if they weren't triangle shaped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my knife and cut my newly made quesadilla in 2. And I'm sure to be very careful when I'm doing this because I don't want to lose any vegetables or chicken. And yeah, So I like to eat my quesadillas with cucumbers, avocado, and tomatoes, and I love to eat it with low sugar ketchup. So that's it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how this recipe works out for you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up this video for more. Bye.